coming right out of college. Still hadn't quite grown up yet. Wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do. Thought I had a good idea.
I was looking for a company that would focus on training me because I didn't have a lot of previous experience.
My educational background was industrial engineering. I knew I was looking for something more along the management side of things, and the job description for production management trainees seemed to fit exactly with what I was looking for.
I visited Nestlé Purina at the career fair. I flew out to Davenport for a second interview, and then I started the next January.
They allow you to go through a training program for the first 6 months, and it just provides a smooth adjustment from the college life to the real-world experience.
From the get-go, you have an immediate sense of camaraderie between people that are in the exact same position as you starting out.
It's really nice to have just a good core group that we can go out and go hang out with on a Monday, Tuesday night.
Really, being here in the Quad Cities, we really have been a support group for each other. I mean, we're all just learning how to live on our own for the first time, or talking to each other about our training reports, which we're all responsible for. It's really been great to have other people who've just graduated from college.
One of the things that I really look back on is really my training program. It made it clear to me what my place was in the organization.
You're learning a lot real quick, and you're picking up a lot, and you just run with it.
The challenges they get thrown into you every day, they're never the same.
The projects range anywhere from maintenance on the plant buildings, process-related projects, quality-related projects.
From utilities to building new buildings to changing processes, and just that dynamic environment and the continuous training that we receive just makes every day different.
I came out my first day with my clipboard and my piece of paper ready to jot down notes, and next thing I knew, I was putting on gloves and helping to change out an extruder.
And we're out on the shop floor pretty much all day. I'm learning each position basically, so I could run the extruders, I can run the dryers, I can just run the whole plant.
I've learned how to drive a fork truck, got my license. I've trained on the palletizers. Specifically, that's how our product gets unitized and into sellable units for our customers.
With Nestlé Purina, you have a chance to move throughout the business and have different experiences. Basically, it's up to you to decide your career path.
I came in as a production management trainee. You know, right away it was made pretty clear to me that the goal would be for me to be a production manager someday. But I also knew that you're not locked into just production. If that discipline wasn't something I particularly enjoyed or excelled at, that there's other options while still staying with the same company.
When I first interviewed, I could see the passion in my manager, and he's the one that I report to, and that was a huge selling point. He loved being at Nestlé Purina and was open about everything that he'd done and he was going to do and where he'd be and where I could be, and he was really open about sharing that right off the bat, and that passion and that drive that he had is really, I mean, it's contagious.
We're very much looking forward to bring the young folks into the organization and train them and be a good mentor for them as well, and help them develop, because I think you spend so much time focusing on your own career, and at a particular point it becomes important for you to develop people within the organization.
People trust us, the folks that work with us, to hopefully make those good decisions as we go forward, and there's a certain amount of pride that I get from that. You know, it's kind of a cool thing that I say I can be a part of, knowing that one, I've earned the respect and the responsibility that kind of comes along with that.
Being a small piece of the bigger Nestlé, you create more of a family type feel.
I think the enthusiasm at the workplace has really helped, because it's like you're going to a sporting event, you know, everybody gets hyped up and they're all excited about coming in to work.
It seems that there's an abundance of personality here and a wealth of knowledge, and everybody really, all Nestlé Purina employees want to succeed and strive to succeed, and you can see that in the passion that they take in all of their projects.
It's really cool to see how that enthusiasm really plays into every day, and you feel like you're wanted here, you feel like you're needed, and you are.
And that's what makes it fun, is everybody's got the same level of passion after the same end goal, and, you know, willing to work together to get the job done.